Hey guys, welcome back to the object-oriented tutorials bytecodes for you. And in this we're going to talk about encapsulation now. So what encapsulation is it sort of helps you protect against external errors, so something trying to access a variable that it shouldn't be able to edit, or something that you just don't want other classes to access. So how we're doing this is we're setting everything as private, as I said in the last video. So we've got private string name and we've got private int person ID. Okay, so now we're going to go here and we're going to want to make something called a getter and something called a setter for each of these. So public and each of them return their own type, so string, so public string get name. Okay, and we're going to return this dot name. Okay, and name is final, which means it can't be changed no matter what, and so we can't create a setter for that. If you wanted to do it quickly, Eclipse doesn't have it built in. So you can just hover over it and press create getter and setter for person ID, and there you go, you've got this. So it's just like that, and there you have it. It's just all set. So we can save that, and this automatically, because it's a superclass to student and teacher, this automatically flows down. So if when we instantiated the student we wanted to output something, output their name, then we could just do system.out.println, and then we do this dot get name. Okay, and it will then call the function over here called get name. So it'll then return this dot name, which will return the name that was set from here in the super method. So yeah, I think I'm going to show an example of that now. So easy thing to do. We can create. Yeah, I'm going to remove that bit from there because we don't want to do it when we instantiate them. So if we go here and we say, yeah, if we go student bill equals new student with the name Bill and the ID 105. Okay, and if we have a teacher Steve equals new teacher, I can't spell today, Steve with the ID, I don't know, 552. So now if we run the program, as you can probably guess, nothing's going to happen. It's just going to bring up a terminal with nothing. Well, it won't bring up the terminal at all because nothing's been output. So let's make something output. System.out.println welcome to the register, and this will output in the console welcome to the register. Yeah, so run it again and it'll say welcome to the register, but it won't say anything. So then if we want to access their names, we can do system.out.println bill.getName. So we can use the method outside of it. So now if we run it, we'll see welcome to the register, Bill. So if we were to put Steve as well, we can just do Steve, and yeah, you could run it again, Steve. That's that. And as you can see, like, we only write this once. Like, we don't have to write it again, which really helps for keeping your code clean and easy to maintain. So object-oriented is definitely the way to go if you're making something that's a big project. So we've got all this, and the encapsulation means that if I try to access it directly, if I tried to access .personID from here, if I went bill.personID equals 5, I've got an error, because obviously it knows person ID is there, but it's not visible, because only this class or a subclass of it, something that extends it, can access that variable, so it's not going to work. I mean, I can try and run it, but it will like throw an error exception in thread main. The person.id is not visible, so that's that. If we did want to make it like visible, we'd just change that to public, and then it's visible to everyone. That one's final, so it wouldn't really matter because it can't be changed anyway. But it's just much. I'd say it's more common practice to keep encapsulation going throughout a whole project. So that's that. In the next video, I'll probably be showing how to put them all into an array, and then I think in the video after that, I'll show you array lists and the difference between the two. That'll probably actually be squeezed into one, not too sure yet, see how it goes. But yeah, if you liked the video, like and subscribe. Don't forget to leave any comments below.